Okay, now we will discuss the variations in the rate of demand. That means earlier we discussed the factors which affect the variations. Now, what is the numerical value? That means in terms of the annual average daily demand, how much variation is taking place in each case and what would be the variations you have to consider considering the variations in the hourly demand, in the daily demand, in the monthly demand as well as the seasonal variations. Okay, so how much you have to consider, how much variations you have to consider, or what would be the approximate percentage variations in the rate of demand, that is the daily rate of demand. So first one, the maximum seasonal variation, or what is the seasonal variation in the consumption. So earlier we discussed that the daily demand is varying with respect to different factors, is it? So based on all these factors, what would be the percentage variation? So the standard says that there may be 130 percentage of increase, 130 percentage of increase in the annual average daily demand in a summer season. In a summer season, the increase may be 130 percentage. Okay, that is above the annual average daily demand. Now again, in a hot season or in a summer season, in a summer month, in the season itself there is the maximum summer period is there, maximum hot day is there, hot month is there, is it? So in that month, that means the hot month, the maximum monthly variation is 140 percentage, 140 percentage over the annual average daily demand. Over the annual average daily demand, there is a variation of 140 percentage. Then on a maximum daily summer or on a maximum hot summer month, summer season, what is the variation in a daily demand? So in the maximum daily variation is 180 percentage. That means we expect 180 percentage increase over the annual average daily demand on that particular month and in the season. That means if you want to know how much variation is there in a hot summer day, in a hot summer season, then what is that? It is the, if it is say X, then daily variation is 180 percentage. That means X into 180 percentage increase is there. Then in a hot month, it is again multiplied by 140 percentage. Then for that particular season, that means again you have to multiply it by 130 percentage. So these are the variations, the standard percentage increase. And then what is the hourly variation? That means on a hot summer season, in a hot month, in a hot summer, again in a month, again in a day and again in an hour. That means ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ചൂട് ഉള്ള സീസണിലെ ഏറ്റവും ചൂട് കൂടുതൽ വരുന്ന മാസം, ഏറ്റവും ചൂട് കൂടുന്ന ദിവസം, ഏറ്റവും ചൂട് കൂടുള്ള അവർ, ഏറ്റവും കൂടിയ കൺസംഷൻ എത്രയായിരിക്കും? അതാണ് നമ്മളുടെ ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ്, അതാണ് നമ്മൾ കാൽക്കുലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. മാക്സിമം hourly demand, that means how much variation is there in a hot summer day, in a hot summer month, in a hot summer season. So that is the our objective. So that is again in a hour, hourly variation is 150 percentage over the daily variation, over the, then the daily variation is again, it is varying with 140 percentage in that particular month, and again it varies with 130 percentage in that particular season. So then if you want to know, so that means if you want to know what would be the percentage variation over the annual average daily demand in a hot summer day, in a hot summer month, in a hot summer season. What would be the percentage variation? Then there is an empirical formula is there. Therefore, the formula is nothing but P equals 180 into T to the power minus 0.10. And what is the T? T is in days. That means whether you want to know the percentage variation for a month, that means it is 30 days, you can take it as 30 days, then 180 into 30 to the power minus 0.10. And if you want to know the variation in a day, what would be the variation? It is 180 into 1 to the power 0.10. So that is the empirical formula, or otherwise you can remember these percentages. Otherwise you can remember this formula, or you can remember this percentage for calculating the variations in a day, in a month, in a season, and in a total hour. All these equations, variations, percentages there, you can calculate it. And then this hourly variation. So if you want to know what would be the maximum hourly increase in the rate of supply on a hot summer day, in a hot hour, in a hot month, in a summer season, what would be the variation, or how much more quantity the people need, or what would be the percentage increase in the annual average daily demand. So that particular value is termed as absolute maximum hourly demand. Absolute maximum hourly demand, or in other words, we call it as peak hour demand. So absolute maximum hourly demand is nothing but the peak hour demand in a peak day, in a peak summer day, in a peak summer month, in a peak summer season. What would be the maximum hourly demand? That is called as the peak hour demand. So the peak hour demand, again there are standard values are there to calculate the peak hour demand. Instead of doing the percentage variations, we can directly calculate the peak hour demand based on some standard norms. Though the standard norms are again published by the CPHEO, how to calculate the peak hour demand of a particular city for a particular project. That is there, that we will discuss now.